is falling, lights that glow, making bracelets by the fire's glow.
Today's project is also Christmas themed, and is a Cobra DNA keychain. It's about the simplest project you'll have, and let's show you here. Total length is just a hair under 8 inches, or just about 19.5 centimeters. Now we're using a 2-strand cord consisting of 1 strand at 13 inches long or 33.2 centimeters. We're going to be using 2 colors, like I said, since it's a Christmas theme. Red and green. Both of them are 24 inches long or 60.96 centimeters, melted together to form 1 strand. And I'll tell you what, we're going through the side of the cow hitches as normal. And for mine, like I said, I'm using a swivel on both ends because the DNA turns. Alright, like I said, it cannot be simpler. Only 1 knot and repeat it all over and over and over and over again. Okay, red from the right side goes across, green from the left side goes over that, under, up, and through the loop you just made. Now, still from the right side goes over, this goes over this, then that goes under there and up through here, and boom, you made your second knot. Just continue, rinse and repeat until you're done.
Lights that glow, making bracelets by the fire's glow. Hands are busy, knots are tight, crafting joy on a winter's night. Red and green with holiday cheer, forming patterns, love sincere. Each creation a gift to share. Paracord crafts, let's make a pair. Tie your love in every loop, crafty Christmas with our troop. Holiday colors bright and bold, bracelet magic that we hold. Twisting, turning, feeling right, paracord in the candlelight. Snowflakes on the window pane, holiday crafts that keep us sane. Gifts from me to you, Paracord dreams coming true. Joyful moments tying tight in this merry festive night. Tie your love in every loop, crafty Christmas with our truth.